Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo K12x, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change notification sound on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to open our sound and vibration option, and here we have notification tone. And right here we can choose what notification sound we want. And I'm gonna choose, I don't know, maybe bounce. And that's it, that's how you change notification sound. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!